Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to give your Figma designs a little extra polish with gorgeous professional icons, then stick around. Because today I'll be showing you exactly how to add sleek icons to your designs using the SF Symbols browser plugin. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to browse, search, and effortlessly drop beautiful icons right into your Figma workspace. Let's dive in and make your next project stand out. Alright, let's get started. First things first, open up Figma on your computer or in your browser, either one works fine. Sometimes people ask, hey, does this only work with the desktop app? Not at all. As long as you have a Figma file open, you're good. Once your project is open, look down at the bottom of the screen. You'll see this small, multicolored icon labeled Actions. Go ahead and click on that. If you've never noticed it before, think of Actions as your trusty toolbox. It's where Figma keeps all its plugins and widgets, ready for whenever inspiration strikes or you want to speed up your workflow with some smart automation. Now in the little window that pops up, focus your attention on the Plugins and Widgets section. Let's say you've never used plugins before, that's totally fine, they're a breeze. You'll see a search bar right there. Click on it and type in SF Symbols Browser. This plugin is super popular for a reason. It gives you convenient access to Apple's official SF Symbols library right inside Figma, so you don't have to surf the web or flip between apps just to grab an icon. Once you spot SF Symbols Browser in the results, hit Run or Open to launch it. That might take just a moment, especially if it's your first time, so don't worry if there's a couple seconds pause. After the plugin window pops up, you'll notice a simple, clean interface, a search bar waiting for your input. Here, where the magic happens, let's say you're working on an app mockup and you need a search icon. Just type search in the bar and press enter. Instantly, you'll see a bunch of SF symbols matching your query. It's almost like having a giant sticker book of icons at your fingertips. Now comes the fun part, adding that icon to your design. Just click, drag, and drop it onto your Figma canvas. That's literally it. If you're someone who's ever struggled with downloading SVGs, uploading assets, or tweaking vector files to get them just right, this process is going to feel like a total breeze. There's no need to worry about file formats or compatibility, since it's all happening right inside Figma. For example, maybe your project has a profile page and you need a user avatar. Just type person, find the icon you like, and pull it onto your design. You'll save so much time and frustration compared to searching for icons online. And honestly, that's all there is to it. You can repeat this as often as you need, searching for any symbol and dropping as many icons as your project calls for. It opens up a whole world of consistent, sharp-looking assets without breaking your creative flow. So there you have it, adding icons to Figma with the SF Symbols browser plugin couldn't be easier. If you found this tutorial useful or you have any questions, maybe there was a step you got stuck on or you want tips for customizing your icons, just drop me a comment below. Don't forget to tap that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next installment of Figma tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.